Preparing a hospital bag for labor is an important step to ensure you have everything you need for a comfortable and smooth experience. Here's a checklist to help you get started. Important documents: ID cards, health insurance information, hospital registration forms, if required, birth plan, if you have one. 2. Clothing for you. Loose, comfortable clothing for labor. Robe or cardigan. Slippers or comfortable shoes. Nursing bras and underwear. Pajamas or nightgowns. Socks. 3. Toiletries. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Hair ties or headband. Soap, shampoo, and conditioner. Face wash and moisturizer. Deodorant. Lip balm. Hairbrush or comb. Makeup, if desired. 4. Electronics. Phone and charger. Camera or video camera. Headphones. Extension cord or power strip, outlets may not be convenient. 5. Comfort items. Pillow from home. Blanket. Snacks and drinks, for you and your partner. A notebook and pen. Entertainment, books, magazines, music. 6. For baby. Baby clothes, onesies, hats, socks. Swaddle blankets. Diapers. Baby wipes. Infant car seat for the trip home. 7. Postpartum needs. Maternity pads or adult diapers. Nipple cream, if breastfeeding. Nursing pillow. Postpartum underwear. Comfortable going home outfit. 8. Miscellaneous. Cash or credit card. Important contact numbers. Remember to pack your bag a few weeks before your due date to ensure you have everything you need. Customize the bag based on your preferences and the specific requirements of your hospital or birthing center. It's a good idea to have your partner or a support person double-check the bag and be ready to grab it when it's time to head to the hospital. Thank you for watching our videos and being a part of our YouTube community. If you enjoy our content and want to stay up to date with all the latest tips, tutorials, and more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We can't wait to share even more exciting and informative content with you. Your support means the world to us.